Welcome my dear friends. I welcome you all in this interesting video regarding the oil massage to the legs. This is done by Professor Dr. Deshpande, that is myself, and my colleague, that is Dr. Sachin Sarpotda. We both are doing the Synchrone leg massage. Right and left leg massage is going on, and the benefit of this leg massage, it is very useful to strengthen the muscles, bones, tendons and ligaments. Now this is demonstration of how we can rub the oil to the feet region. Now it is plantar region. We have to rub at the fingers, and then also we have to do little bit pressure at the sole aspect of the palm of the feet. Sole aspect of the feet. Now see the positions that we are taking: medial malleolus and lateral malleolus. You know the bones of the leg. Femur is the biggest bone, and then lower tibia and the fibula bone is there, and here is the lateral and medial malleolus. So we are giving the massage to the different, what you can say, the muscles and the tendons, especially extensor digitorum longus tendon, extensor digitorum longus tendon, extensor hallucis longus tendon, and extensor digitorum brevis muscle is also there. So these are the different muscles at the thigh region, at the leg region, shin of the tibia. Many times the patient complains that, doctor, I am getting tired and I am having the leg pain, especially because of the calcium and vitamin D deficiency. So here, in addition to giving this Praval Pishtivati, or what you can say, the natural calcium with the coral, and simple analgesic of Ayurveda like Dashamula Kashayavati, always advise the patient to do at least once in a month or once in a fortnight this type of the massage, either full body massage or even the local massage. Now especially the knee joint is being giving the massage. As you know, knee joint is a weight bearing joint, and so maximum time osteoarthritis, that is arthritis of the old age, is common in the knee joint. So the knee joint massage, circular, all the joints should be massaged circularly to begin with. Now the thigh massage is going on. There are different muscles like sartorius, rectus femoris,
vastus. Explicit while we have a guest analysis gesagt, dass welche Muskel und was ist die Indikation.
So Professor Deshpande is explaining to the foreign ladies.
Punkt hier in Synchrone ist die Balancieren von beiden Therapeuten. It may be the speed, it may be the pressure, it may be the local. Weil in diesem Organ sie gesagt, dass in Kerala, was der machende Symptom ist, nicht really the symptom.
As the lady was from Germany, Professor Deshpande, that is myself, is explaining in German language what is meant by Synchrone massage. There should be exactly similar things that the two doctors, two therapists should do on the right and left side. So we were talking about the muscles. I will repeat the muscles that are over here in the thigh region: sartorius, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, adductor longus, patella, extensor digitorum longus, etc. So you can use the Bala oil, medicated oil, or Dhanvantram Kujambu oil from Ayurvedic. So this is nearly the end of the massage. how the slowly and steadily they are ending the massage. You just observe. This is very small 5-minute video, but very interesting video where you can learn a lot how to do the leg massage. So I wish all the best, and I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel Ayurveda Academy and also give your feedback. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best. All the best.